friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today is a day 2 challenge of 25 days formula challenge. Yesterday we have seen a wonderful video about how to use the sum formula in Excel. It's very basic formula. And today we are coming with an excited formula which is average in the Excel formula. Fine. Before jumping into video, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Now, before jumping into video, let's understand what is average. Average is equal to sum of given values divided by total number of values. So this is a common formula for average. So how we are going to use it in our formula in Excel as a daily life? Let's jump into the video. Go back to our Excel sheet. So today I have created a new sheet called day 2, and again, as I said initially, I'm going to copy the complete data whichever I'm using for the whole challenge. Copying the data and put it in day 2. Before that, I just want to mention it as merge the center values and mention it as average formula. Cool. So let's jump into the previous data and copy and paste it over here. Paste the values over here and make it as visible for all the columns. So now, as a manager, I just need to know the average of quantity, unit price, and the total price sold. So I'm going to the last row as like the sum. I'm mentioning it as average values. So now, as we discussed, we don't need to sum the value and divide the value. So instead, we can use the built-in function called average and select the value how we have done in the sum formula. So you can see the values come as 63.28 and 689. So first we can check it how many line items we have. We have 244 line items, and the value you can see it over here as 15,442. So now I'm just checking equal to 15,442 divided by 144. Sorry, 244, right? So you can see the value is 63.28689, the same value we got here. So we have cross verified that the same value is appearing everywhere. Now select the cell by pressing shift and right arrow key and press Ctrl R. You will get the average values for unit price and also the total price column. So hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Jai Hind.